Hello, selamat datang pada semua traders. Welcome to all of you and thank you for visiting rakanpips.com. Um, I'm just making this video to share with you one of the new release, the latest um, expert advisor, or we can call it as a Forex robot. This is a latest release in the market, right? And we're going to look into this ROSSI46 Forex robot. Okay, ROSSI46 Forex robot. And this is actually, since this is a new launch, we have um, a super promotion going on. And you can grab this by end of this month, end of November 2020. In December, the price will be slightly higher. Okay, and so, most importantly, we're going to have a look at how this EA, this ROSSI46 Forex robot works. This EA actually works based on market trend because it uses the standard indicator available in MT4, moving average, and based on the time frame that trader or the user or yourself choose. It could be 15-minute time frame or 30 minutes or 1 hour. Based on that, the EA Rossi 46 will open the trades. So how we open the trades is basically, this is a hedging um, EA. It will buy and sell at the same time, and it has adjustable lot size per layer. That means initially it will open um, one lot size which is bigger than the other opposite trend. Example, if the trend is a uptrend, and then the EA will open a larger lot size compared to the opposite trend. It will actually open both threads together but with a different lot size, and we can customize the lot size based on our account capital. And you can have a low risk or medium or high risk setting for this EA. If low risk, it will be really low risk. Of course, it will be very slow profit, but the risk will be very low as well. And we recommend this EA to be used only in Send account. You can try to use in a micro account, but you need a capital as high as 2,000 US dollar or more. Of course, if you have capital as 5,000 US dollar or 10,000, yes, you can use with micro. But the reason why we come out with this EA, because we want more traders to use this. So if someone has only they want to try with US dollar 100 or 10,000, sorry, yep, 10,000 US cent account, yes, they can start maybe with one Forex pair. Okay, and you can visit our product page to look at some of the features. We have some live results. This is one of our account, customers account, and yep, these are all a screenshot of all these actually real results. Semua ini adalah result dari account real, bukannya account demo. Okay, account $50, it's a $50 account, it's a 100 US dollar account, $300, 400, 500, and we have more and more. Okay, and also in our website there's also some recommendation given. So we have tested our robot at GMI Edge broker. It works fine for us. I'm using my own account also with this broker for send account with this same EA, and with a low risk setting, it can give you around 0.5% to 2% or 3% per day. So in average in a month, um, you can expect this EA will give you um, 15% to 30% or more. We also have a client, my own client, that used this EA and made 100% in a month. But of course, they use higher risk, which I don't suggest to traders, because the most important um, thing for us is to actually protect our capital, right? So yes, if everyone want to set a high risk, and yes, it will, your account also is highly risk to get busted or for a margin call or stop out. So we don't want that. We want, even it's a small profit, but we want consistency. And here are some feedbacks that we received from our clients recently. These are all latest feedbacks. We have more. um, we still waiting for feedback from them, and we will update here. Okay. And now, since when we came up with this ROSSI46 software? Actually, this EA was called as LRFX Trend EA before this, before rebranded to ROSSI46. And we we never sold this Forex robot before, because what we did, we manage our own clients' accounts. Okay, so I myself, I need to charge my Mac. Okay, I myself, I have three VPS accounts, VPS servers. You can see I have three VPS servers, and I manage my clients' accounts and also my own account. Um, you can see this is one on the VPS. Um, yep, this is another VPS. These are all my clients' accounts, and this is Miss Cake with 73 US dollar. I think her capital was even lower than that. It was 50 US dollar, and already had about $22 profit. I don't know how many percent is that, almost 50%. This is I think a 1 month plus account, and we have more. This is a $100 account, already have 20%. We have this is also $100 account. We have a plenty of 100 US dollar account that they, my client actually um, purchase the, they don't purchase the EA last time because we don't sell, but because I'm handling, I think more than almost 40 accounts, so only myself handling almost 30 to 40 accounts, so I decided to sell it, and the client can maintain by their own, because it's also tiring to take care of 30 to 40 accounts. You need to check sometimes their account is okay or not, change the setting and so on. This is Nur Hazlisham, and let's check the account size and profit. Made about 40% profit, and yep, and we have um, Paula Asan. I think, yeah, let's see this account. It's 36% profit and has a 36% withdrawal, so it is already withdrawn. And we have Muhammad Rizal with it's a $300 account. Let's see, and there's a withdrawal of 70 over US dollars. Okay, so this is around, I think, yep, 20 to 30% as well. And we have um, This is a new account. All right, this is a new account, still new. And let's check on other server. We have Kavindran with um, withdrawal of 40 US dollars done. We have Mac with profit of 35%. All these are new accounts, and we have come. This is a new account. I think this is a 10 percent plus. And let's check another VPS. I think we also have $500 account here. All right. So um, basically, I won't be able to show all here, but basically, you can see this this EA is actually how it works. Um, Now you can see that here from the image here from the chart. This is a CHF chart. It shows ranging. That means it doesn't have a specific range. So the EA will not open a new account. No, sorry, new trades once the existing one is closed. But sometimes you can see. Let's check in. Yep, in GJ, the sterling yen in a 15 minutes time frame is showing a downtrend. So so basically it will be selling, right? So you can see that uh, it is selling now because the EA is detecting that the trend is going down. All right. So since this is hedging, it will also counter if the trend go on the opposite side. But if you notice that it will have buy and sell at the same time, and there are a lot of settings that can be done over inside that EA itself, and you can actually set the custom layer lot size based on each layer. You can set the lot size based on the next layer. The first layer, maybe it will open 0.03 and 0.01. The next layer will become 0.06 and 0.01. And yes, of course it will look like it is going to become more and more bigger and risk the account, but you don't have to worry, because this is why we use send account. Send account is the most safest account to use with EA. Any expert advisor that using send account, um, usually you don't have to worry much. um, and also because this follows the trend, so it is much more safer. But of course, any EA in the world, there is no such thing as 100% guarantee that it will not have a stop out. No, any EA, it is also risky. Forex is a very high risk trading tool. So what we can do is we can limit the risk and try to maximize the profit. This is what EA ROSSI 46 is about. And let's look at some results. Oh, we already seen the result just now. What else can I share? Okay, maybe I can also share something here with yep, this account. Right. This account, this is a new account. I just made a video out of this account, and if you can see, this account has EA ROSSI 46 attached to around 5 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So account ni gunakan 5 pair. Basically I will close the gold pair because this is a $300 account. Untuk account, for the account with $300, we recommend only 3 to 4 pairs currency pair, not the gold. If you want to attach a gold pair, you must have a minimum of 500 US dollar account. Um, or 50,000 US cent account. You can use gold at a $300 account, but it is risky. Like example, um, last week we had 1000 pip, um, 1000 pip drop of in a gold. So if it is a $500 account, that EA is okay, it won't get busted. But if it's a $300 account, and if the time frame chosen is not right, and then there is a very high risk the account to get busted. So always choose a higher time frame, like 30 minutes or 1 hour or 15 minutes shall be the minimum if you use a gold pair. And also USD 500 account will be more safe compared to USD 100 or 50 if you use for gold. Okay, you can use a 300 or 100, but I mean it won't be low risk anymore. It will be more to a medium or high risk account. Okay, we don't want that. Okay, now um, we have another EA that we attach to this account. Actually, I'm doing this to almost all of my own account, personal account. And I will actually, this is actually one of my account, my personal account. It's a new account I just opened. And if you can see, um, this is a guard, um, profit and loss guard EA, right? You can purchase this separately. We are giving an offer price at the moment, and attached together with this EA or any other EA, any other account. And the reason why I use this, because this Rossi EA is a hedging account, and I want to make sure that if any losses happen, uh, it doesn't burn the entire capital. So in any situation, once it reached like 50 US dollar, here I set as 5,000 because it's in a cent, so 5,000 cents, and automatically all the open trades will be closed. So the maximum risk that I will have my account uh, is $50 every time it goes to a high floating. Okay, so you can set this amount, up to you. You can set to um, 3,000 cents or 5,000 cents or 10,000, 100,000 cents. It's up to you. Okay, um, but if you set the account at a very low risk like this, 15-minute time frame for currency pairs, you actually don't need that. But this is actually an extra protection. When you have this PL guard EA attached to your chart or any account, you can have a peace of mind, you know, because you don't have to worry, is the currency, is the pair going to uh, go crazy tonight, and then every morning you need to wake up and check whether your account is safe or not. So you don't have to worry about it anymore. Since the day I'm using that PL guard um, EA, I actually doesn't bother much about what's going to happen while we are sleeping, or if the market goes crazy, because you know that the maximum risk is only $50 or $30 or $10 or whatever amount that you set. Okay, so if you purchase the Rossi EA, you can also purchase together with the PL or profit and loss guard. Right. So we will back to the page here, right? And if you are interested with this EA, you can make the purchase. And once you make the purchase, uh, you will get the email, a link to um, learn how to set up the EA, and also you will receive that set files to use. I mean, to use the right lot size setting and the right take profit or the pips for the EA. to currency pair or gold. Okay, all right. So to make the purchase is very easy. You just need to click buy now, and then after that, um, just proceed to checkout and put all your details, no, and then continue to payment mode. And in the payment mode, maybe I just give a sample. John Travolta, right? Okay, and maybe 012 5 5 that's 123 TKL and 56000. Can put Malaysia, choose your country, your state, right? And just continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, continue. Still errors. And tips at gmail.com. Continue, and once you have fill in all your details, make sure you put your correct name and email address. And if you want to pay using a debit or credit card, you can choose this option, or and click place your order and use your credit or debit card to make the payment, or you can go to the bank transfer and transfer to the OCBC bank account. This is valid for, I think, is easily transferable from Malaysian account, bank account. But if you're purchasing this from overseas, I think the PayPal option will be the best. All right. So that's all, and thank you for visiting the page, and I hope you will try this EA and see you again. Okay, bye bye.